Wow, this already feels a lot better. Hola gente, what is that, my warrior angels? Welcome to yet another video where we put to the test new hair care, and my hair and my bank account take the bullet for you. So today my hair is in desperate need of some good hair oils. This is the absolute perfect time to do a battle, and may I add, not just any hair oils. These two bad boys right here are both Allure 2020 winners, and may I add, quite expensive. So we're like supposed to be talking about hair oil royalty here. So here's the plan for today. I'm going to be applying both of these side by side so that we can compare, and I also want to share with you guys kind of a really quick fact comparison, as much info as possible so that you guys get to make the right purchase decision for you. Tin, 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 tin. Ooh, so here is the ginormous bottle of the Kerastase Oleo Relax. Holographic thing going on there in the bottle, part of the steps of the Oleo Relax line, which by the way I will be testing out fully very soon. And now let's open the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. Oh my god, I just had a cuteness overload. Look at that beautiful rose. And I don't know if it's real, but it looks real to me. Definitely unique, original. So there's a few differences between these two. Kerastase actually describes the Oleo Relax as a serum, whereas Briogeo as a treatment. That's kind of a big difference right there. Another big difference is that the Kerastase Oleo Relax one claims to be a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees, whereas this one doesn't claim to be. 3.4 ounces of product or 100 mils for $37 US, and the tiny but super cute Briogeo 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce of product retails for $30 US. This one is even more expensive. The Kerastase one is made in Spain, whereas the Briogeo one is made in Korea. Another important difference is Briogeo is a cruelty-free brand and Kerastase is not. The Briogeo oil is 100% vegan. The Kerastase Oleo Relax is not. Briogeo oil is gluten-free and the Kerastase Oleo Relax is not. You guys may be interested in knowing that the Briogeo is silicone free, as the Kerastase one is not silicone free. It actually contains dimethiconol, which is kind of related to dimethicone. That means that in order to remove that silicone from your hair, you would need additionally, for instance, a clarifying shampoo. If not, it could persistently kind of coat your hair. Briogeo targets mostly dry, damaged hair, and the Kerastase Oleo Relax targets more like a dry, unruly, voluminous hair, both promising to hydrate or moisturize the hair, some type of anti-frizz action. Kerastase Oleo Relax also promises to defrizz, smooth, and just give you that very sleek shine. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair actually claims to do exactly what the name suggests. Has a clinically proven repair technology, promises to restore the hair cuticle and protect against future damage. And last but not least, the ingredients. Kerastase one claims to have shea butter, coconut oil, and rosa moschata fruit oil. On the other hand, Briogeo claims to have bioidentical hair lipids such as ceramides and some other essential oils. Most shocking claim belongs actually to Briogeo. It says it is clinically proven to repair up to 88% of hair damage after just 2 uses. I cannot leave that type of claim untested. So like I said at the beginning, the goal of today's video is to do kind of a first impressions comparison review between these two, but I'm sure you guys can imagine there is going to be a follow-up video regarding that. I wish you guys could touch my hair. I literally cannot stand how dry it feels. Let's see if any of these products can actually help me. Let's begin with this one. So it says 2 to 4 pumps. Let's just do 2. It may look orange in the bottle, but it's just the bottle. The oil is absolutely clear and it actually looks quite lightweight. Try to very evenly distribute on the left side. You know what? Actually 2 pumps is like a lot, and I have quite a lot of hair, so I would say start with like way less, just one pump. Wow, that instantly feels way softer for sure. Can you guys see? It actually did remove quite considerably the frizz, and yes, it did add some shine as a good oil should. You know, it did feel like it was way too much when I just applied, but it's starting to absorb and a lot faster than I thought it would. So before I apply the Briogeo one on the right side, I wanted you guys to take a very close look at the with Kerastase Oleo Relax and without, so that you guys can compare. I feel that the results actually speak for themselves, but I'm gonna give you a close-up. So I'm gonna go wash my hands to apply the Briogeo. I was looking at the amount I should apply, and I found something really interesting at the briogeohair.com site. They say they have like an easy 30-day return policy, which I think is amazing and actually speaks very highly of this company. So much searching for almost nothing, because it says apply a few drops. All right, so now let's focus on this side. I guess the wise thing to do is just maybe see the size of one drop. Okay. Ooh, this one is way more liquid than the other oil, more lightweight. I think I'm gonna do like 6 drops. They're really small drops. 4, 5, 6. It's still way less product than the 2 pumps I applied of the Kerastase oil, but we can always apply more. Oh, and one other similarity I think I forgot to mention is that both of these oils can be applied on either damp or dry hair. Okay, I'm giving this some time to absorb. Woo! All right, let's compare. I think I've given the Briogeo side enough time to absorb. So both sides feel a lot softer, more hydrated, and definitely smoother. And those are all things that both products seem to promise. I have to say the Oleo Relax side is way more invisible to the eye and also to the touch, whereas this side I can feel the product and it's really weighing my hair down. Okay, so it kind of feels like this side has been smoothed out without losing its natural look and volume, whereas this side looks shinier, true. Yeah, way shinier, but it also looks and feels very greasy. Unexpected, quite frankly, because the texture of the Briogeo oil just feels a lot more watery, and for sure I did apply a ton more product on this side than on this side. It's like the minutes go by and it still looks so really I cannot explain the result. It's really tough for me to decide which one won. I feel like the Briogeo won as far as having an all-natural formula, being vegan and cruelty-free. Those things are really important. Tons of points just for those things. And also, if it does repair 88% of the damage on my hair after the second use, I mean, it's probably unbeatable in that department. But if I knew nothing about the company or the future promises of the Briogeo oil, I would say just based on this first use that the Oleo Relax side won. Again, please do keep in mind that this is a first impressions video, so I'm not like factoring in any mid or long-term benefits. You know, silicones are not meant for everyone. Not everyone wants to use a clarifying shampoo. If you are on the curly girl method, you're not gonna like this type of product because of its silicone content, and I completely understand that. If by the time I edit this video this side has fully absorbed and somehow I've changed my mind, I will insert a quick clip right here, right at this time. If I don't, it's probably because I haven't changed my mind. And that is a wrap, my warrior angels. I hope this video helped you in some way to make the right purchase decision for you. Let me know in the comments below which other hair care products you'd like me to compare and test out next. Some people have requested me to compare the Briogeo one with Olaplex number 7. Let me know if that is something that would interest you or not. As always, every single product used and mentioned through this video is going to be listed and linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. If you ever decide to use my links on this or any of my other videos, I know we're all going through some very challenging times, but I just want to say thank you to those of you who have been messaging me all over, expressing your sympathy towards the situation in my country. It literally moved me that you would take time of your day to send your good thoughts and prayers our way. So thank you. I will catch up with you guys again on my next one. Do you wanna follow?